Max, that's it. Yay! There we go. So a bit more weight on that front foot, that's it. Tension, no tension. So where's the weight feeling? That's it. Just relax your feet. As you would normally, heels down, heels down, heels down, heels down. Nice, that's good. Press with both feet. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's it. Strong. Stronger legs. Stronger legs, strong legs. Press the bike. Yeah, wicked. That's good. Nice. That's it. Don't bend, man. Press the bike. Don't you bend. And then go. Better. That's it. Alright. So try and keep your chin up as it comes up, keep your chin up. So press and jump. Yeah, nice, there we go. Yeah boy, and again. Yeah, nice, and again. Bit more hands. Back it up. More pump. Use the bike. Nice. That's better. Nice, good. Yo! Get low, get low. That's it. Heels down, nice and relaxed. Look at the hand, look at the hand. Nice. That's it. That's it. Look for the hand. Over. So what's your feet doing? That's it. Big elbows, heels down. Much better. Nice and patient. Yeah, dude. Yes, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah.